In this video I'm going to show you how to get crying filter on TikTok. Look at me, I looks really sad, like I am going to cry, and in this video you will learn how to make exact the same effect on your video. That's pretty simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, you're gonna know you can't make such video directly in TikTok. You need to use Snapchat for that. So I open my Snapchat application, tap on that icon, make sure that Snapchat is latest version, tap on that icon and swipe to the very right to use Explore function. Here tap on Explore and in search bar type crying. Here you got bunch of effects. I like that one, it's the most realistic for my opinion. I'll select that and then I just look at camera. You see that effect is already appeared here, and I just tap this button, record button, and hold a video. Then here I see the save button. I tap on that and now that video is saved to my gallery. Let's check. Here it is, 5-second video, that's the previous. And then I can upload this video to TikTok. For that I tap on plus button. Let me show you the whole process. I tap on plus button, I tap on upload, select that video, tap next, and here I can continue editing this video as I normally do and then publish it. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.